Hello learners, welcome to Masterly Coder. With this video, I am going to start a new series of statistics for data science and machine learning. This is part 1. Agenda of this video is what is statistics, what is variable, types of variable, what is measurement, what is data, types of data. So let's get started. What is statistics? Statistics is the science concerned with developing and studying method for collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and representing empirical data. Another definition says statistics is the science of learning from data and of measuring, controlling, and communicating uncertainty. Another definition says statistics is a collection of tools that you can use to get answers to questions about data. At last, the most simplified definition is statistics is a way to get information from data. In all these definitions, one thing is common, that is data. So let's understand what is data. Before understanding what is data, we need to understand few terminology. That is, what is variable? Variable is a characteristic of an entity being studied that is capable of taking on different values. For example, weight, gender, salary, all are variables. Now, types of variable. Basically, there are two types of variable. First is categorical variable. Categorical variable are those variables which take discrete value. Further, categorical variable is divided into two categories, that is nominal variable. Nominal variables are those categorical variables which have two or more categories but which do not have an intrinsic order. Like people lives in USA by state. You cannot order the people living in USA by state in increasing or decreasing or any other mathematical order. Another kind of categorical variable is ordinal variable. Ordinal categorical variables are those variables which have two or more categories and have an intrinsic order, like product review. You can order the review of a particular product. Another type of variable is continuous variable. Continuous variable are those variables which take numeric values. Continuous variables are further divided into two categories. First is interval. Interval are ordered scale in which difference between measurements is a meaningful quantity but the measurements do not have a true zero point. Means आपके interval continuous variable कभी zero value attain नहीं कर सकता. Like year कभी भी zero नहीं हो सकता. Temperature, if we calculate the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, they can't be zero. Next type of continuous variable is ratio variable. Ratio variables are ordered scale in which the difference between measurement is a meaningful quantity and the measurements have a true zero point. Like weight, age of a person can be zero. Temperature in Kelvin can attain zero value. These are basically ratio variables. Let's move to another terminology, that is what is measurement. Measurement is when a standard process is used to assign number to a particular attribute or characteristics of a variable. Example of measurement is, suppose you have a salary and measured value of a salary can be 22,000, 35,000, 35,500, 23,000. So these are measurements of a salary. Now, after having understanding of what is variable and what is measurement, let's understand what is data. Data is the recorded measurement for a variable. Everything is data. Data is everywhere around us. Data can be seen and collected in various forms such as tabular data, text data, image data, audio data, video data, and there are many other kinds of data. These generated data provides insight for analysis and help us to make better decisions. So, is there any relation between data and statistics? Yes. In data science and machine learning, we have data and what we want to make decisions. So what statistics does is takes in the data using statistical analysis, provide insights from the data which helps in better decision making. So what are the different types of data? Data is also divided into two types. Qualitative data. Those data which are represented in subjective terms or category are called qualitative data. Qualitative data is further classified into two categories. First is ordinal data. Those data in which there exists an order between categories are called ordinal data, like grades that are given in your school and colleges, A, B, C, D. Although these are not numeric values, but still there exists an order between these, like A grade is greater than B grade is greater than C grade is greater than D grade is greater than E grade. Now, another type of qualitative data is nominal data. These are those data in which there is no inherent order exists between categories, like gender data. In gender data, we have values like male and female. We cannot order between male and female. Another example of nominal data can be relationship status collected by Facebook as single, complicated, married. You cannot order between these categories. Another type of data is qualitative data. Qualitative data are those data which can be measured in value or number. Qualitative data can be further classified as discrete data. Those data which holds finite number of possible values are called discrete data. Example, on roll of a dice, either output can be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. But this is finite number of possible values. Another type of quantitative data is continuous data. Continuous data are those data which hold infinite number of possible values. Example, weight of a person can be 20.8 kg, 20.82 kg, 20 kg, etc. So this was basics of statistics. In the next video, we will start with what are different concepts in statistics. For latest video and live session update, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. You can connect with me on various other platforms. All the links are given in the description below. Hope to see you in next video. Thank you.